This is a review for the Cuisinart 4-slice toaster. We had it on our wedding list over almost 15 years ago, so it's definitely a long-lasting one that we've been able to use this whole time. Great for, large groups, families, things like that, because you can toast in half the amount of time if you need to have all four going. They do work at the same time, so you can have them both with bagels, toast, anything you want. It has different settings here, as well as the ability to change this. You can, just basic simple usage. Great condition, kind of goes with everything with the stainless steel look. Doesn't take up too much space, but you can, obviously store in a cabinet too if you're not using it on an everyday basis. But it doesn't look bad as well in the cabinet, on the counters, if you just want it for everyday use.
As you can see, the left side is working fine. I just toasted this torch bread. I think it's good enough, so let's undo it. But the right side, it will not, the lever won't stay down. It just doesn't, it's broken, it doesn't work. The left side is perfectly fine. Let me go ahead and cancel that because I already toasted it. But yeah, the right side is broken.
Just bought this toaster, replaced the other one that was identical, Cuisinart, because when you push this down, it wouldn't stay. The other one I replaced, if you try 3 or 4 times, it would actually work. So I replaced it with this one. No matter how many times I tried it, it wouldn't stay down. The old one, at least it stays down.
I'm videoing. We haven't had this very long, and this is what we're experiencing. It's supposed to be Cuisinart. It just doesn't work. Both sides, right? So, I want another one.
Oh, there we go. Only took 15 tries.